we're about to watch a body cam video, and it's about a person. Hold on, I'm about to get into it. I'm about to get into it. I'm about to show you right here. Hold on. Charged with a security guard charged with murder after horrific body cam surfaces. So we already watched that, right? But yeah, there we go. All right, yeah, security guard charged with murder, right? But before we get into that, I want to talk to y'all about something. I want to talk to y'all about something. So yesterday, I'm playing the game. I'm about to hit starter five. I'm chilling, right? I'm chilling. So, I'm arguing with this one dude because he went 1 for 4. I went like 5 for 6, and he talking about I'm sorry and I need to delete the game. So, uh, I'm trying to protect myself. I came at him saying, "Yo, you sold the game, bitch," and I called him the B word. So 2 hours later, this pops up, and I get kicked out of everything. They said, "Dear Cam, until January 1st, 2020 fucking 6 at 4 o'clock p.m. you won't be able to play PlayStation Network for social features. That's in Plan Online, can't go on Party Chat, can't go on messages. All for me, like, for me calling somebody the B word, bro. And I'm so pissed. I'm hitting starter. Bro, a whole month? Because I called somebody a B word, bro? That's not, hell no, man. I don't know, that's not right. But we definitely better get into this right here. We're definitely about to get into this right here. Hold on, for sure. They making me so mad. They making me so mad. They should never even did that.
Productive version of myself. Before, I used to scramble through meetings half.
They should never even did that. Y'all ready though? Get up. Let's get up.
The fatal encounter is captured by a body cam,
Yo, so
but the
what the
man
fuck
wearing
happened?
it isn't a police officer. He's a security guard assigned to a Spirit Halloween store.
Mama killed somebody! Why? Why?
The following report is based on official police records, and most of the footage has never been seen before until now. Please note that all persons charged with a crime are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law. On October 16, 2025, a 25-year-old armed security guard named Josiah Armijo is keeping watch at his current post, a Spirit Halloween seasonal costume store that
Okay, so note this. Security guard is Spirit Halloween. Okay.
seems to greatly require his services.
Army Order Patrol requesting an 82 got 5 occupants currently stealing from the store at the Spirit off of Carlisle and Indian School. Hey, I caught him concealing it. Hey guys, I need you to leave the store. I need you guys to leave the store. I saw you concealing a shirt, so I need you and your friends to leave. Let's go. Put the hat down, let's go. Put this stuff down. You guys are no longer walking in Spirit, alright? This idiot stuck a shirt in his pants. I kicked them all out.
Josiah handles the situation, not knowing that he's less than an hour away from a much more serious encounter that will change the course of his life. It begins when a customer's appearance attracts the attention of Josiah and store employees.
I guy asked him if he was good. He's bleeding from his hands.
I know.
He's a crackhead.
I know he is.
I
You
think
gave
he's
him
smoked
tissue.
out. He smoked out like.
And see if he wants. I know where he's at. I've been trying to keep an eye on him.
I know, I watched him by the door.
I am. He's tripping, bro.
Josiah moves to a position where he can better watch the man, who authorities will later identify as 41-year-old Chase Beltramo. When Chase heads for the front door with items he hasn't purchased, Josiah breaks into a sprint and a chaotic, violent encounter begins.
Dang! Okay. Yeah. Yeah, this police guy, security guard, whatever. Yeah, sign him up. Sign him up. Put him on contract for the Bills. We need him. We need him. That's a good tackle right there.
Your back. Come here. Come here. Get the on your stomach. Get the on your. $82 Carlisle! Don't move! Don't move! You move, I shoot you!
Not the pepper spray. Damn. And did he have the gun in his face? What?
You move, I shoot you! Get on your back! Get on your.
Josiah's body cam falls to the ground.
No! No! Y'all remember the last body cam video I reacted to? I was like, yeah, I'm about to turn my body cam off if this happened to me. This man Josiah did the same thing. And the situation what happened last time was way worse. This man was just trying to he got caught stealing. Now he turned his body cam off. This is crazy, gang.
Josiah's body cam falls to the ground and 3 gunshots ring out.
Shots fired! Officer needs help! Shots fired! Call the cops!
Hey, code peace, bro. Hey, take it easy, code peace. Hey, I'm firing off orders. Back up, bro. You're good, you safe, bro.
Get him aid! Get him aid!
How are
Get him
you?
aid! I'm good, get him aid!
You killed him, bro. He's done. Okay? Take it easy.
Josiah reattaches his body cam, but he's a long way from processing what just happened.
Take it easy.
Son of a.
Call 911.
Shots! Who the is my backup?
You stay down right here. Hey, get some space, bro.
Where's
some dramatic shit. Relax. Hey, Greg, you shot, you hurt, or you ain't shooting?
His shots hurt.
Yeah, this security guard needs to be in a cage immediately.
Hurt. Landon has shot someone!
What you shot at?
I had to, bro. I had to.
Determining the truth of that statement will be a job for the Albuquerque Police Department, who are rushing to the scene. In the meantime, Josiah makes another call.
Call mom.
Sit down. There you go. Have a seat, bro. Have a seat. There you go. Go. It's all right, buddy.
Mama killed somebody! I had to shoot him. I had to. Carlisle. I need him. He tried robbing and he was fighting me. He was reaching for my stuff. I had to.
You hear me? Yeah. You know where you shot him at?
Point blank, bro. Twice.
Point blank where? In the face?
Chest.
Right there.
Where we're trained to do. Where we're trained.
Did you shoot him with a gun?
Yeah, I had to.
Josiah's direct employer is New Mexico Security Services, and soon his co-worker arrives and jumps into action.
Help him!
Come on. Did he attack you? Did he attack you?
We were throwing blows.
Yeah.
Come on.
I had
What started the situation?
stealing them from the store.
Shoplifting. You tried to stop the shoplifting.
As witnesses try to get the story from Josiah, the first cops arrive.
You're the one that shot? Okay. Take a breath.
I'm sorry. Why? Why?
Does this cop got black forces on? They could wear that? The cop got black forces on. They gotta watch him.
Why? Why?
Josiah is relieved of his body cam, which now records him being placed in handcuffs.
Put you behind. Give me the name for now, okay? Can you put name Tito?
Yeah, it's real.
Is it? Did you record what happened?
Did it record
access to the footage? Yeah. It should have the whole situation. You have a way of. I
Yeah.
need to call my lawyer. Thank you, sir.
Okay. We're gonna go in the back of the car, okay?
If there's any way to get that to view it, we'd like to.
Yeah, we're gonna have to.
Josiah's body cam will give investigators a clear view of the incident, and soon additional footage will show the deadly confrontation from a very different perspective.
I'm sorry for pausing the video, but man, like, people hire security guards. Anybody, just anybody could be a security guard. Like, look at the dude. This man look like he could talk to a 13-year-old. And you gonna hire him as a security guard? You might as well hire me. Game.
Do you need an ambulance check on you? What's wrong with you?
I feel like passing
You
out.
feel like going to pass out? Okay. Roll your windows down.
So you were fighting this guy. I don't need too much details. And there's more injuries for yourself.
I don't know.
Okay.
This happened so quick.
All right. But you said he hit you.
Well, he ran out. He pushed the assistant manager up there. So I came out running.
But you weren't stabbed or anything. No.
No.
Okay.
I tried macing him with OC spray. He started grabbing stuff, so I pulled out my gun and.
Okay. And you don't have to tell me any of that stuff.
Medics advise Josiah to keep his breathing calm and controlled, which may be easier said than done.
He's going on TikTok.
As it turns out, that may be the least of Josiah's worries, despite the efforts of first responders.
Did this man said this is? Did this man just say shit that's going on TikTok? Nigga, this is going on YouTube. Fuck you talking about? On several different channels. Fuck you talking about? Where the fuck is Albuquerque? How the fuck do you even spell that? Bro, this shit has to go to, this shit has to be in like, I don't know, city of, hold on. City of, out. Yeah, that's long ass word. Hey, yo, I was just gonna say New Mexico. I was just about to say New Mexico. I think this is in New Mexico. Wait, no, where? Forget it, I don't care.
Responders, Chase Beltramo dies in the parking lot from a gunshot wound to the upper torso.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. I need you. Forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive me. I'm sorry.
The investigation stretches into the night, and as homicide detectives prepare to speak with Josiah, Spirit Halloween representatives have to decide on their next step.
So corporate's directed us to basically stay closed indefinitely.
Indefinitely? Why? They don't have to be indefinite.
You think this store could be open tomorrow?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. We need our Halloween stuff.
Exactly.
At the station, Josiah tries to get a sense of where this investigation might be going.
All right. Did you see the footage of this one?
Yeah, I saw the footage of this one.
Was it like clear or what?
Yeah, like the quality was really good of the video.
What are your thoughts? Because
I can't say my thoughts.
Investigators will have to use witness statements and footage to make their determinations because Josiah has little to say about the incident.
Do you guys record?
We record every incident that we get into.
Okay, good. I've always found it helpful, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
It falls to your benefit all the time, from my point of view.
It does.
Would you like to talk to us about the evening, this event tonight?
I will, but I have an attorney because we have right to bear.
Okay.
So, but I don't know their number. So anytime they said if we get in a shooting to call them, and they'll help us through the process.
Josiah is referring to a special liability policy he purchased that offers members legal aid if they're involved in a self-defense incident. The detectives agree to help put him in contact with one of the company's lawyers.
I'm an attorney in Colorado with the Right to Bear Network, and from what I hear right now, this is an incident that may or may not be covered by Right to Bear, depending on what the charges are, the outcome, and some additional investigation.
Is your client willing to answer questions with your presence? How would you like us to proceed?
The lawyer explains that Josiah cannot be his client because he's from out of state and not licensed in New Mexico, but he recommends that Josiah be given time to rest and find a local attorney before answering questions. But if a good night's sleep is the key, Josiah's accommodations are perhaps less than ideal.
Good morning. I'll take you out of handcuffs. Or I'm gonna take you out of this one. I'm gonna take your glass on if you want.
If you talk to the DA, you're probably going to be out in like a day or two.
A day or two?
Yeah. Meaning day could be tomorrow morning, depends on when the judge sees you. It could be either this morning, which is Friday morning, or Saturday morning. You don't have a huge criminal record, you don't have any of that, all that stuff is not there. So they're most likely going to release you. That's just based off of what the DA believes. Now the judge had a whole different aspect about it, okay? But you're being held, you're not held on what's called an open count of murder, or is there criminal charge, meaning that there's no first degree charges. We don't have a first degree murder. It's going to be second or something below it. And then get a hold of an attorney here in town and then walk from there, okay?
For now, however, Josiah is taken to the Metropolitan Detention Center. En route, he asks for a small favor.
So I think it's it looks like a vape or something?
Yeah.
That can't go with you.
Can I hit it before you toss it away?
all the fiends could join them with this one. Can I get a hit before it tosses? Yeah, this man, yeah, lock him up. Lock him up. This man did not just say that. We worried about other things. We worried about you knocking somebody down, and then now you charged with murder. Now you want to hit another vape before it gets tossed? This man is crazy. And this all in New Mexico?
Or something?
Yeah.
That can't go with you.
Can I hit it before you toss it away?
I think I can let you do that.
W officer, look at the man.
I needed that all day.
At the jail, the officer not only takes Josiah's vape, but his security patches as well.
I don't know how much people have heard and, who's in there and stuff, so we don't have people giving you issues, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Inside the booking area, issues do indeed materialize, but the anger isn't directed at Josiah.
Sit down, bro. Sit down, you dick. Stop. Whatever you down. Yeah, I hate your pig out.
What the fuck is going on?
Bro.
What's going on? Who the fuck is this lady? That's his mother? Why is she talking like this? Put her up in there too.
Sit down, you dick. Stop.
Pig.
Whatever you down. Yeah, I hate your pig out. Go get it. Probably in the door. Like you guys like to be on Central. No. Eat your donut.
Sounds kind of good, actually.
When peace is restored,
Look at this fat ass nigga. Sounds kind of good actually. Get your fat ass on and put her in handcuffs. Talking about eat a donut. What? Eat a Frank, nigga.
Eat your donut.
Sounds kind of good, actually.
when peace is restored, the officers take a look at some of the first shocking images from tonight's incident at Spirit Halloween.
So bad.
Oh,
that's my guy, 27-1.
Oh,
These images come from surveillance cameras at the store, one of which provides a new vantage point on the tragic altercation, right from the moment a store employee intervenes to keep Chase Beltramo from stealing, and only seconds before Josiah rushes in. Roughly a minute into the chaos, both men roll out of view. Only seconds later, 3 gunshots bring the confrontation to an end. As dramatic as the footage is, the case soon hits a snag, the first hint of which detectives got when they called Josiah's mother earlier tonight.
You called me on my work phone, and I don't feel comfortable speaking to you on my work phone. How did you get my work number?
We have one of the district attorneys with us, and she was able to work through. They have your guys' information. We do not.
As the detective explains the next day, her employment puts a wrinkle in the prosecution.
Armijo's mother works for the district attorney's office.
Oh, geez.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
I didn't actually know that even.
Yeah. So to ensure that there is no complications further in the case, all of this is going to be handed over to an actual attorney in the city that does not work with the district attorney's office.
Does he have any charges against him yet, or?
Yes, we did charge him with second-degree murder last night.
So when we were watching the footage, it looks to be self-defense, because it looks like the guy had a hacksaw or something that he was trying to hit him with.
The victim, Chase Beltramo, did have previous run-ins with the law, including a 2013 conviction for misdemeanor shoplifting and a 2014 felony conviction for residential burglary. Josiah's fate,
So who's in the wrong here?
however, will not be based on the victim's past, but by what is seen in the footage, including his own body cam recording.
You f***ing move, I shoot you!
When investigators review all the footage and speak to the witnesses on scene, they conclude that Chase Beltramo was not armed at any point in the altercation.
So he doesn't have an expectation of privacy on a camera that is provided to him. They do this for their legal means to be able to say, hey, you did this within our policies. No, you did this with outside our policies. It's the same thing we do with ours. Like if we're recording for the purpose of legal bounds, but it also keeps us within.
It protects everybody.
Yeah, it protects everybody. It tells you if the officer was
doing something wrong, or
I mean, to be frank, being an absolute.
The arrest affidavit against 25-year-old Josiah Armijo argues that while he may have had probable cause to stop Chase from shoplifting, Chase seemed to be attempting to flee the scene until Josiah put him in a life-threatening position by pointing a loaded weapon at him.
Don't move! Don't move!
The affidavit also criticizes Josiah's use of pepper spray only inches away from Chase's face. The document concludes, because Josiah didn't have the necessary need for the use of deadly force, he was charged with second-degree murder for the shooting of Chase. Josiah Armijo was released on his own recognizance 2 days after the incident. Court records indicate that he has entered a plea of not guilty. If you'd like to see select new videos early and help us keep uncovering.
Wow, man. Your man Josiah is one guy to not be messed with, huh? So y'all think he has that job or no? This man's crazy. I'm gonna catch y'all later though, for sure.